think we're going to see a continuation here on the daily chart. Meta, as you know, gapped up overnight, right? So after hours, after the earnings announcement, which was yesterday, January 28th, you can see that it popped. So you may have remembered that I was talking about this level. Now I drew that, I created that back on January 22nd. I said this is looking actually quite bullish for Meta because we've got a higher low here than this low. So when price came up to this level, found resistance at the 200-day multiple times, and then dropped back under the cloud, it never came back down and to close under the low. So that told me that there's a higher probability that we're going to see some bullishness, but it still wasn't a buy signal because price was still being held under the 200-day moving average until we got the information, the info about the earnings and how was Wall Street going to react to it. Well, it broke above the cloud, as you can see. In fact, it also broke above this prior level, that 711 level that I drew also on January 22nd. And it was based on that long, do you see that shooting star candle? So notice how it actually not only gapped above the 200, but it also gapped above the 711. So I think we're going to see a continuation here on the daily chart. But bottom line is, I would still hold off personally. I'm holding off on Meta until all of the elements give me the okay. But remember, everyone can make their own decisions about their entry. If you want to take a higher risk trade, it's completely up to you.